my hosts, and welcome to a programming stream. Today we are going to work more on my chat integration code. So let's see if we can do that. Here, hold on. Oh, that's the wrong button. Yeah, let's go for that one. Full of scuff today. Okay. Right, let's give it a try and see what's going on. We'll keep working on this until we run out of chatness. So we go, here's some chat, and what do we see? And we see nothing. Okay. It's chat, get current stack. So it is coming out. Right. Shift. Whilst I'm trying to look at the code now. Okay. ID. This is some test chat. But it's not being displayed for some reason. Right, so let's stop it. And we'll look at our code. That'll be in shader. This is probably underneath the text. Yep. Test match scroll. Simple scroll here. What is going on? The details. Oh, that's not what I wanted. Go back to the simple scroll. Settings, text. How do we open this up again? It's this one. Okay. So let's have a look at the code and see if there's anything obviously wrong. Probably ready to run. Disable close. Moderator. Go away. So chat color. Let's go. It's reading chat, that's fine. So it should. So reads that, creates that. So just have a before and after. Text to display. Oh, how about hi Omega V7. I am working on my chat code. And it's, at the moment, that's before destroy. After start, settings data. So this bit, let's expand this out. I think this is the problematic bit. I just don't know why this is happening. Oh! Oh, that's cool. That sounds really cool and neat. Okay. I'm confused. Where... Okay. Is this logging right? So it takes an object message. I'm just going to go, just remove that, say text to display. See if that helps. Because for some reason it's not actually displaying the text right. So I'll attach it to Unity. And let's say I want to add a breakpoint here. Where is the thing? Oh, breakpoint. Insert breakpoint. So if we go back to here and we run it, it should now stop at the breakpoint, which it has. And now I can look at the value of that variable, and it should tell me what that value is. So let's see. What does it say? Ready. Data source control, that's not what we want. Call stack. Huh? Has it not even reached that checkpoint? Stop debugging. Break. No compatible code running on thread. Okay, that's weird. Okay. View all threads. Not available. Stop. Okay, that's now extremely weird. Let's try running it here again. So we're attached. And we'll run. And nothing happens. Break all, stop debugging, restart. Okay. I'm confused about is locals watch 1. Okay, it's showing the breakpoints. Looks like the code's not even reaching the part where it's supposed to. I am most confused. Oh, we have a warning E is declared but never used. We'll go log E to log the error. Maybe that's the problem. Okay, let's disable breakpoint. Let's run it again, see if that helps. Okay. Got nothing. We have an error. Object reference not set to an instance of the object. At line 126. 1, 2. Oh, 126. Object reference. Which is the chat color? Oh, get chat color. Foreground. Do I have to go? No, that's it. Like that. Nope, that's wrong. Is that not being... Is this not valid? So, get author color. We'll trace that. Get author color. You are up here. Return S normal. Okay. Settings S. Right. Let's go into settings S and see. So that's declared red, normal. So that should be have an instance in it. If we look at controls, where is it? So text, simple scroll, we have settings set up, so that should be a valid setting. And if we got normal, so, okay, settings S has values, so why is this being null? That's okay. That's why the error message is coming up. Chat color. let's log that as well. So Unity Engine debug. Hello. I hope you are doing well as well. We'll call this chat color. Then another logging thing. I've recently also changed my keyboard, so I'm just getting used to it. Sorry. For one thing, it has the home key in the middle of a square of the button keys, so my finger memory for it is not perfect at the moment. Let's clear that. Run it now. And then we stop it. And let's have a look at the logs for there. So, settings data and chat color. Chat color. There. The next thing says settings data plus chat color. And then it says object reference is not set to an instance of the object. So that is weird. So let's grab this information from here. We'll go over to there. This data. Oops, that's not what I wanted. What I wanted was you get author color. And we'll have settings S, owner, like that. And let's see if that helps us follow through. So let's play it again. And we get here. So settings data, chat color. It says settings data plus chat color. What does that mean? Is that a string? I am not sure. This is high weirdness. Let's see if we can go for... Let's see if the breakpoint will work here. So set a breakpoint. And actually insert a breakpoint here. Attached to Unity. Let's try running it again. Excellent. Now we are inside the code and we can watch what's happening. And I can look at the settings data S. And that's settings chat color. We can look at owner. That's these values are null rather than being the empty string. So that is what is causing the problem. Right. A classic problem. Let's fix that up. Go back onto here, continue. Not reload, restart application, continue. And how do we get, oh, we stop it by using the stop button. Okay, that tells us what we need to know. Delete the breakpoints here. We'll come out of here as well. Go back into the application. So we can fix this problem by adding a new condition. If chat color author foreground foreground. How do we check for null in C#? Is null in C#? C#. Checking if an object is null in C#. Good old Stack Overflow. Okay. Dismiss. It's not data, it's null, but data list. If object is null. Okay. Copy that. So we go is null or the foreground length is 0, and we'll put brackets around that because I'm not sure of the binding strength. We'll go like that. Save that. And we'll run it again. Because it's all about testing and running. Okay. So that comes up. Oh. And it's the extended text is working correctly as well. Now, if we set that to red, does this now change? It does change. Although we do have the problem that it has all this color equals emptiness. That's a bit of a problem. We'll look into fixing that as well. There we. So why are we seeing that? Let's get rid of here. Cut that out. And we'll paste. We don't have to paste anything. What did I do? Okay, let's save that. I used my fingers did some silliness. Okay. Settings data. Destroy. Wonder what is going on here. There. I want to... Okay, we'll go say... for... Sorry, author foreground. For why won't that allow me to log that value? That's weird. Let's copy this. Still very much unused to my new keyboard. Oh. Control V is pasting the wrong thing. This is weird. Copy. Paste. Okay. That's fine. Control S to save. Tab over to here. Let's give it another run. Still doing the color equals blah. And it's saying null. These values are being set to null. That's super curious. Moderator. Actually, normal. Blue. Okay. And settings. Owner to yellow. Say something in chat so it comes up on the screen. Okay. That bit works. Omega V7. Can you say something in chat? I want to see if it comes up here. Also, I found I can do this. Hold on. To basically highlight what I am doing. Hey, oh. Oh, hold on. Well, if I can't persuade anybody, there is another way. Make sure. Okay. Now, let's see. The tuber ch dot. Okay. Just make sure that that's okay. Oops. I'll just use my alt. And that works as well. So, the question is, why is that not defaulting to white? And if we look at these logged values, we're getting yellow, white, and null. Okay, so let's investigate the code and see what is going on. Author foreground. So author foreground is being... Oh! That's the problem. If it's not null and its length is greater than 0. Right. So, it went round the wrong way. Definitely a bruh moment. Let's try this again. Comes out all white. Excellent. And blue. Indeed. That will come out blue as well, we will hope. Right. So if we go settings, okay, we quit out of it. The issue now is persistence. Has the have we been able to sorry, save everything? And that's handled by settings. Okay, so before destroy gets called, it should write it all to the settings location. And the settings location is that place. Can we get to open file? Can we say tell it to open that file? Nope. Let's open the file then. File. And there. So it is users QTP. Okay. And we go users QTP Source. Yep, I have 100 subs. I just noticed that today. I knew we were coming up on it, but sorry about this. I've got a bit of a frog in my throat. Chat script CLI debug net60 chat JSON. Yep, it is really good. Now I wonder if I go red in here and oh, it's already got blue set. Interesting. Yeah, I now have 100 subs. I'm really happy about that. So it also means I can get a custom channel URL, which I'm looking forward to doing as well. Thank you. I'm going to run it. Doesn't seem to load the settings. Okay, so next thing we've got to look into is why the settings aren't being loaded. So let's have a look at settings has unsaved change. Yes. Okay. So the settings are being outputted, but gotta have a look at, where is it? It'll be in the settings. That's the settings panel. Here's the settings thing. On start, it reads the settings from the settings location. So it will log that. Let's see. Settings. So start. And it loads this one with a whole lot of blank settings. Hold on. Settings check. Settings. So, okay, after starter, settings data. So, what's going on here? Here we go. Get current source stack, calls debug object. Doesn't tell us what line number these are at, which is a pain. But it looks like this is not loading correctly. Why would it not load correctly? So settings. Let's try doing a bit more with that. So go to the chat JavaScript, say red like that, save it, run it. We don't have the red set. And when we look into here, that's curious. That's set to red, but we don't have the settings data in it. Right. I think this is another opportunity to set a breakpoint. And the thing went away. Cool. So, set it to red again. We'll set a breakpoint here. Set breakpoint. Set the breakpoint. Attach ourselves to Unity. And we'll run. We immediately jump into here. So, show next statement. So let's step into, step over is what we want. So we've got the settings text with red. What's the value of S? S for owner is set to red. That's curious. Then we do step over and step over again. That gets removed, but the message foreground is set to red as well. So that's working correctly. Then we'll skip. Hold on. This is set up wrong. That's what's killing it. Okay. Let's stop that. Go into here. What it could be is, if S is null, then erase everything. Otherwise, continue. Oh, it's recompiling. Let's run it. Go to settings, say red, blue. Okay. So this should be red. And it's red. Awesome. This should be blue. And it's blue. Hee. I'm feeling happy. Okay, if we quit out, Then we start it again. Yes, 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 yes. We've got persistent settings. So now, when we change the settings for anything, the changes persist between loading, so between quitting and starting up again. Excellent. That was my major sticking point. So, the next thing I will have to do is just show chat here. The next thing I'm going to have to do for this project is have it so we can hide this panel. So this panel doesn't appear unless you want it to. And probably some code cleanup. But otherwise, we're almost there. So I am feeling good about this. Right. So we've made that major accomplishment. So let's go back to the main room. Oh, by the way, did you notice the new graphics for the transitions? I've made it a little bit more sparkly. As a celebration of 100 subscribers. So, anyway, we have the chat script doing what it needs to do and saving settings between sessions. All that remains now is some cleanup and refinement, and I'll be ready to use this in the as a full version. As always, thank you everybody for joining me on this project. Tomorrow we will be playing Kerbal Space Program, so I will be very happy to see you there. I am also quite happy that we are up to 100 subscribers. Woohoo! See you later.